Thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Do you love your car?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm liking the play.
Yeah, what is that called? What's that? What's the thing you're holding called?
Yeah.
What is it? Yeah. What is that called?
Yeah.
What?
Katie, come here. Katie.
Yeah.
A stop and on?
Yeah.
But what is that called? What are you holding? What is that? Oh, okay. Yeah. And is that a remote control? Yeah? Do you like your present?
Yeah.
Yeah? Katie, you want to say hi, Nana? Say hi, Nana. Say I love you. See you soon. Oh, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Where's your head? Show me your head. Where's your head? Aw. Katie's got hurting teeth. Alright, girls. Up there's
bye -bye.
Justin.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Katie.
Alright, say bye. See you soon.